Hi everyone, this is Kona and I'm going to show you how to build modules in Canvas. So first of all, here we are on a course homepage, and what we're going to do first is go over here to the left navigational bar and click on modules. Once we click on modules, now you can see this course already has some different modules. A module here is like example module, which is literally an example module. Tools and resources, Skittles project, paper towel project, those are all the names of modules. Then you've got different content that are inside of the different modules here. So first of all, to create a module, all you do is come over to the right-hand corner where it says literally create a module and click create a module. You then do the date. So I'm going to call it getting started. At that time, you can lock the module until a given date. So if you don't want it to open to students until a specific date, this is when you can do it. You can also set prereqs, which require the student to have done something before they can get into other things, which we go into that more later. And you can also set, if you want students to move through this in sequential order. So maybe, especially because this is a getting started module, maybe you want to make sure students have clicked on the syllabus, taken the syllabus quiz, viewed instructor information, and done the first discussion before they do anything else. You know, they want them to do that in order. And so you can check that box if you want. Otherwise, just go ahead, type in the name of your module and click Add Module. Now, when you add a module, it's going to show up all the way down here at the very bottom of your page. Now, to rearrange that, all you have to do is get that four-sided arrow right there. So just kind of hover over until you get it, and then just drag that module up, 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 up. Come on. And keep going, keep going. And there we go. Now, if you wanted, you could have moved it down here or anywhere else, but for me right now, I want it at the top of the screen just because it makes it easier for me to work with. So I've got a getting started module. Now, the most important thing in regards to students being able to see things and you working is that right now you can see that there's a little cloud and it's gray. And if you hover over it, it says publish. When it's gray, it means students cannot see it. So if it's green, like these are right here, the green means students can see it. If it's gray, that means students cannot see it. If you would like students to see it, you just click the green and there you go. Or you can go back and click it again and unpublish it to students so students cannot see it. The big important thing here is even if you have this module set to open on a specific day, unless you've set it to also be published, which you have to do right here, it will not be visible to students. So that's really, really important. This publish or this date that you might set for your module to open does not override the published. So if this isn't published, it doesn't matter what your other settings are, the students will not be able to see it. So once you have it published, all you need to do then, or if you want to publish it, you can publish it. But otherwise, if you want to add assignments, all you have to do is just click on that big plus button and then pick type of assignment. So an assignment is literally an assignment Dropbox. So this would be if you want students to submit something to you, some type of file, document, PowerPoint, Excel file, whatever, you can use an assignment. You also have a quiz option where you can literally create a quiz. You can upload a file. So if you want to add your lecture notes or a PowerPoint or something. A content page is where it literally just kind of looks like a web page, and it's where you can add content directly to Canvas. So you can literally type in content or even copy and paste it from a Word document. A discussion is literally just a discussion forum where students can discuss something back and forth. A text header is what you use if you want to kind of separate content within your module into different pieces. Then you've got external URL. So this would be if you wanted to have it to go out to maybe a like Purdue OWL website or something like that. That's an external URL. And then external tool. In most cases, you're not going to have an external tool, but if you do, this is where you would add it. So for now, we're going to go ahead and just do a content page. If you've already created the page, it will just be here in your list of pages. Otherwise, you just click New Page, type in the page, example page, and click Add Item. So you'll now see that that example page has shown up and it's ready for you to go in and work with, which we'll show you how to do that in something else. But that's basically how you add content. You just click the button and you can add your content. Also to publish, make sure you click the green and that publishes things. Also remember the edit will allow you to lock the module until a given date, add your prereqs, module requirements, all of that good stuff. And there's your create modules. So that's pretty much an overview of modules. If you have any questions, let me know.